All right, hi everyone, this is Mrs. Paisano. This is our second grade owl clay project. Here is one that is a bisque, which means it's been fired, and here is one of the projects that's done. So the first thing that I have students do is I have them write their name and their room number. Each student at a table will have a little cup here. It's a glue lid, a fork, a marker, and popsicle stick, and each table has one of these. All right, so the first thing that we are going to do is, I always think of kind of like a little taco a little bit. I have this here, and when students are using this, I just kind of have them go like this, and they'll put that in there. So we are going to fold the sides, not all the way, but when I do that, I'm going to go like this with my fork, and I am just scratching lightly, because if I scratch too thick, will I go through it, guys? You can, yes. So I do both sides. So I turn it, and yes, now you guys go ahead and do that. I'm going to pause the video. All right, so the second step, I have students put their hand in here, get a little bit of the slip, just kind of put it on the side that they scratched. So go ahead and do that, class. I'm going to pause it for a second. All right, so for the third step, I am going to have you guys go ahead and please watch first. So I take this and I use my thumbs and I just kind of fold it over here, not all the way, kind of looks like a sad face, right? Then I turn this over and I do this again. Do they touch? No. So this is going to be the wings of our bird. So go ahead and do that. I'll be coming around to help. All right, so I checked the students' owls, and then I went like this just to kind of pat these down. I do this because I have students that are excellent little smushers, and they smush it too much and make it into a pancake. So I just go gently to get the air bubbles out. Then we are going to go like this. Remember how we did this, guys? So we'll do that, and then we're going to put a little bit of slip in there. So scratch, then put a little slip, and stop right there. I am going to pause the video. All right, so my students scratched, and then they put some slip. Then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to pull this over. I'm going to have them check this, and so what I will do is, because my fingers are a little bigger, I go like this and make the wing or the little owl horns, and then when I tell them it's good. All right, so we'll do that on this step, and then I am going to go ahead and pause the video. All right, so all the students have the face. I am going to give each student a little piece of clay. They're going to roll it like this and make a beak. That's going to be his beak. You are going to take your fork and score it. It's basically scratch. Put a little bit of this here, and then you're going to put that on there. I'm going to clean my hands off for a second. And so when I push this on here, do I have a beak? Yes. Then you see the glue lid. Don't push hard. Just do it lightly. There's 1, 2. Then you're going to use the smaller one. He's going to be a silly one. Oh, I guess not. So this one and this one are for the eyes. This right here, you are just doing a small, just like that. See how that goes? Now, right here, the fork. You see this here? I'm going to go like this with the fork, and there is my wing. I'm going to go onto this side, and what does that make? That makes my wing. So I'll leave that like that so you guys can see. The popsicle stick, I am just going to press it lightly, and I'm going to create feathers in the middle. Am I pressing hard? All right, and there we have it. We have our clay owl. All right.
And then we